Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, the mother of Kerrick and Kenisha Modi believe that their bodies were the bodies we saw being buried in a shallow grave on social media. Now, while law enforcement said that they could not confirm this, and they have still not confirmed the location of the shallow grave, people are asking, what was their last known mode of dress? What were they last seen wearing? Now, these are young adults who have a level of fame on social media. And in this day and age, people chronicle their lives on social media. What them last known posts? What them friend them a say? None of them friend them a talk to them. We know Kenisha used to do with a gangster, but she not there with nobody now. Kerrick now have a girlfriend. Now based on the video, the female remains that we're seeing, would I say that the female dressed in a home attire. Look like just a shorts and a blouse. This look like something we probably are wearing in your house. The male in the video almost seem to be fully clothed. Shirt and jeans pants. And based on what was said in the voice note, him say him know where the house there. We don't know if my hint at the fact that the individual knows the location of the house and plans to go there next. Or they may already visit the house already. And because this is an ongoing investigation, law enforcement now going to really release the bits and pieces of evidence with them already collect. But seeing that they're missing, law enforcement supposed to visit the home and supposed they can tell if there were signs of a struggle. And where some people are say, what is the significance of the bank card and the ATMs? Keep in mind, ATM machines have cameras. ATMs have transaction time. If you can find the location of a transaction, you can check if the location has cameras. With cameras, we can check which vehicle should come in, and then we can probably track the vehicle. Keep in mind, them show the bank card on the female, or the bank card was seen on the female. The female never have no purse. Most of the video, we're not seeing no personal belongings. No way. As I say, I'm not even sure if in the video, we see the remains of her shoes. So if you not have no shoes, no other personal belongings, but your bank card, it seems strange. Plus the voice note said this happened over what? Money. Money was stolen. Money where them want back. This is a scenario that showcases the bloodshed surrounding crimes of lottery scamming. It don't look like it'll work out. The flashy lifestyle for a few months, the expensive cars, the villas, the guest houses, only for meet already dead. Most of the individuals I will say and meet their end from this lifestyle is of various ages, all genders. Now I'm going to hear another developing story that is very strange. A former member of the People's National Party's wife, who had reportedly died in her sleep. This was a statement. She had died in her sleep. Now, Nationwide News is saying that the autopsy result is saying that she did not die in her sleep. She died from gunshot wounds. Now, listen to what I say. For somebody assumes that somebody died in their sleep, to autopsy reports saying that she died from gunshot wounds. These are extremely different scenarios. I'm going to hear what I want, and they will contain the reasonation. Look and listen.
Welcome back to Nationwide at 5. Well, just some news to update you on. The recall in November, in fact, there was a story posted on November 11 that Melissa Silvera, the wife of the former Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary, Jolyon Silvera, that she died in her sleep. Died in her sleep. That's what the original story said. Well, we're getting some information, and I've been on my phone working this story all during the call-in section. We've been told that this situation has taken a turn, and that the autopsy on the body of Miss Silvera has revealed that she died from gunshot wounds. The The autopsy reveals that she died from gunshot wounds, is what we've been reliably informed is the case. There is other information around that I will not share at this time. But all I'll say is watch this space. There is a lot more that I've been told preliminarily. I haven't been able to confirm any of that yet. I must do so, given the seriousness of the situation. But I can share that the information is that what was reported as just dying in her sleep, that the autopsy has said no, she died from gunshot wounds. I have been told how many, I won't say how many gunshot wounds, but what a thing is all I'll say.
I'm sure there will be further developments.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's all I am comfortable enough saying for now.
Now, this is very strange. It is said that Miss Silvera was assumed to have passed in her sleep. Now, the new autopsy has said something else. What them really are tell me say? Some people are saying, nah, and this is that make the second member of the PMP who had a loved one or someone who was like a spouse, his life taken by gunshots. Philip Palwell's baby mother, whether they were currently involved at the time or were previously involved, and baby mother, they were involved at some point in time. They make a child together. And of course, condolences to him and condolences to Miss Patterson's family. And RIP to baby Saraya. But now they're saying Miss Silvera's life was taken due to gunshot. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Some people say cover up. Some people say this couldn't be a strange coincidence. Of course, these are all allegations and accusations. But Nationwide is reporting that Miss Silvera's autopsy is showing that that was the cause of death. Of course, there are many factors to be detailed. And as we get more information upon that, we'll be letting the public know. Now, also to another story that is still being developed, as it is said that there's still a build-up of traffic on the Mandela section of the highway and also traffic on the Boulevard section. Now, it is said that two SUVs, or a SUV and another vehicle, were allegedly racing. Now, it is said that a hit and run took place on the Boulevard, and it is believed that the same vehicle was involved in the collision on the Mandela Highway. Now, one thing we know for sure about Jamaican roads, they are in no condition for racing. To all people complain about Jamaican roads, from the picture them all see of Jamaican roads, and if you ever travel for most of these Jamaican thoroughfares, you will realize they are in absolutely no condition for any form of racing with a bike or a car. They said that the SUV hit one SUV, which then hit the next vehicle. And we are telling about a fatal collision. We now just tell about those damages. Lives were lost. On the same road, up the road, somebody else's life was also lost. And based on what the people alleged, this could have all been avoided if people never had a speed excessively. Now, there was a truck parked on the Mandela Highway in Aut0psy's proximity at the gas station. But law enforcement has said the truck was properly parked and it have all the necessary reflectors. Of course, reflectors are required by law for the vehicles, so that when them park, even if there's no power on the light on, the reflectors will reflect the headlights of traffic we are forward. And the law enforcement, they say, the truck have already reflected them and they properly parked on the road. So they must say a driver error. And with allegations, say they were racing. When the woman who was involved in the collision say, oh, she assumes say the other vehicle was participating in an illegal street race. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, if you want to live, love, and prosper, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you're going to be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, if you want to live, love, and prosper, and if you want to stay tuned until the reason again.